Hello and welcome back to Andy and Otto's Motorsport. This is just me a quick video, part of the behind the scenes series, and this is just Saturday night. Can't really do much to the car at the minute. Just struggling, to be honest, tonight, but might as well do something. So, great big box of bits, another box of junk stuff, and I'm just trying to clear some of this stuff out, mainly because I need to move this table because there's an axle sort of down there somewhere down there, back there. I want to have a play with the rear hubs, see what I can do, see if I can make them a little bit more easily adjustable. Top quality English there. Yeah, so I'm just going to listen to my podcasts and hack through stuff. Everyone's got one of these, and in the 2 minutes I've been doing this, I found a hub nut. It's going in the spares box. Hope never ever to need a spare hub nut, but if I've got one, I'm not going to need it. There's loads of stuff in here. Start motor bolt. So yeah, all part of the love of motorsport and how to waste 2 hours of my life going through nuts and bolts. And yeah, it's lovely and warm here. Such fun. See you in a mo. Ciao.